cat, Steve? What? Yes, it is. Ooh, what's your name? I'm the king's new pet called the parrot, named Parrot. Parrot, that's it? I'm a parrot. My name is Parrot. What?
Oh, all right.
What?
Let's just go to school.
What? I'm trying.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to a new lesson about cotton balls. Actually, you're saying it wrong. Hello, class. Today we're learning about cotton balls, and it's one of these. See if I can. Yeah, like that. I also saw in last episode, people were curling up into these things and sleeping in it. Now, what do you think? Would these make for good camp beds?
Well, I don't know.
Definitely. Bring a cotton ball with you, and then unfold it, and then wrap yourself up in it so you can sleep better. But you need a pillow. Okay. And this right here is a Q-tip. You stick those in your ear. Yeah. Who's there? Who was there? Maybe it was the parrots making all those noises. Wait.
Get it!
I haven't seen this dude before. Oh. I heard that his name was Parrot.
Yeah, my name is Parrot. What?
Wait. Oh, I thought these were your feet. So your feet are right there?
Yeah.
Oh. My bad. And class is dismissed. Hey, Parrot.
Ding, 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 ding. Yes?
Go and lift all these students. Fly them up in the sky.
Wait, where did they all go?
I don't know.
That was just an accident.
Okay. Let's just go now.
Okay, Goggles. Are you sure you're going to take my mask off? Sure! Here, I'll drop you. Yay!
Oh, guys, today we have 3 new exclusive super things in the other color. New guy delivery. Thank you. Have a good day. Where's King? Where is it? Where is it? Where's my parrot? No. Gooey's? Where did you put the parrot? You haven't eaten it, have you? No, we only eat rats.
Found it!
Wait. Hello, parrot!
What? Hello!
Oh, that must be us. That must be our other color. Oh, let's see.
Hi, Goggles.
If it is.
How was school?
It was great! Ah!
Oh, sorry. We did get other colors. Look.
I'm here. Now where was I? Oh, yes. Hello, Goggles. How was school?
That's great! I learned about cotton balls.
Ooh, cotton balls. Like one of these in the last episode. There we go, all sorted.
Yeah, I'll close the box. Oh, you got your avocados?
Yep, we sure did.
Isn't it amazing? It is.
Hello, King.
Hello, parrot. I've been wondering where you were. I was getting so worried.
Yeah, of course. Who is this best friend? Hello? Hold on. That is okay. Yum, 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 cuckoo.
Parrot, are you okay?
Yes.
Oh, thank goodness. Well, you know what the time is. It's time for... We introduce more of us balloon people for...
Hullaballoons Balloon Gang with Beach Max, Float Star, and Stickery Mayhem Boogaloo.
Stickery Mayhem Boogaloo.
Oh, alright. Now let's get this show on the road.
Brett exclusive produced by Finn Kershaw. Brett, a Kershaw's Cooper production. A Cooper Media Company. Now first thing to do, Brett, Gunky Pumps introduction. Brett.
You definitely know how to speak well, don't you, parrot?
Hi, Gunky Pump. Ready when you are.
Hello everyone, welcome to my introduction. We're here with the Smashers, Series 1, 2, and 3, Mighty Beans, Series 1 and 2, Mighty Beans, Bean Pods, and... what are these? Wait, what are these? Oh, the Uglies, Crashlings, Flipzoos, and Poopies, Pop-Up Snots, and the Super Zings, with a new exclusive Super Zings in the other color, starting with Hullaballoon, Beach Max, Float Star, and we have gotten our other colors. Yes, that means more beach balls, more floaty rubber ducky floaty things, and fungus among us, somlings, buildings, vehicles, the slimies, 5 surprise, and the super bugs, and the slurpees, thunder smashers, figures, the skeletons, and the pork, and the trash wheels, and the flush force, and the bug strike, and the time wars, and grocery gang, and the trash back, and the gloopers. Ugh. Whew. Yeah, that hits the spot.
Now, Gunky Pump, where are you going?
Oh, where should we go to? KFC. We'll try out the Daredevil bites.
Yum 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 cuckoo. You know the time is.
Guess what's inside the toilet? Nothing.
Lurking and walking telephone. Where are you going?
Hey, King, where does Gunky Pumpus going? I don't know.
Don't you say it.
What if I say KFC? Screw it. Let's just... I was planning to get some more bird seeds for my parrot. That's a great idea. That's a great idea. That's a... That's a great idea, Ken. Let's just go to the Enchanted Tiki Room at Disneyland.
What are you guys talking about?
I don't know if we've been here.
Well, maybe I prefer audio animatronics. Anyways, Goggle time! With a little help of... Balloon kids!
Wait, the others are coming.
Ah!
Alright.
Okay, that is enough.
Hello, welcome to Double G.
Hi, have you checked the bathroom? It says something.
Alright, I'll get on it.
Okay, roses are red, bunnies love carrots.
Parrot? What? His surface is really wet. See if I can get some water. Oh, wait a minute. Wait, what are you talking about? I think it might be one of us. I think we need some more air, right, guys? Yeah.
That was fun.
Yeah, I know it was, but which one of us needs a refill? Not me. Not me. Well, it's definitely not us. Nope, not us. Not me. Not me. It's me, mate.
Oh, Juwan.
I need some more of that energy drink, mate.
Which one? Australian Dew? Kinda like a version of Mountain Dew.
Possibly, mate.
Okay. Then who's it?
Huh. Well, today's the day where the new guy arrives. Yup. I know he's gonna be another one of these snake dudes. Yep, we're definitely related. I hope it's not another short one. What? Oh, that must be them! What? I guess I'll just stay here. Okay, that must be him. So this is the place that you've been talking about, huh? Yep, I know you're gonna love it here. Well, show me this place. Alright, I'll see you. Ow! Ow! Just follow me then.
Alright, show us that new guy.
A nice place you got here. So you must be the new person. Well, tell us your name. The name is Sawrus. Like Taurus, because I have bull horns. And I have saws for hands. Alright. Wait a minute. Timothy? Saul? Oh, I definitely remember you.
Yeah, I think I'm starting to get used to this place.
Hey, who's that?
I'm Gladius, one of the main characters of Stickery
Mayhem. You just quit your yapping, kid. I'm trying to have a conversation. So, Timothy, I didn't expect you to be here as well.
And it's not just me. Turn around.
Well, how are you doing, Saul? Well, I'm doing perfect. So, this is the place that you've been staying in? Yep, I'm starting to get used to it.
So you guys can cooperate?
Well, isn't that what you guys used to do?
Come on, Sawrus. Come with me.
Wait, where is she taking me?
I want to come too.
Wait, no, where are you going?
Oh, what is that guy doing to Goggle?
Everyone, one for your lives! Sawrus was taking over the world!
These people. Wait, is that what was making all the racket? Yeah, I think it is. I just want to know what that hullabaloo was all about. That's like the 5th time you've told us that joke. Yeah? So it's not funny. Oh. Well, let's just watch.
Right, so this is where the groceries are.
And this is, I think I know how it all works here. And also... I'm trying to turn my head upside down. Hold on. Oh, God.
What? What are you doing? So you liking the place so far?
Yeah, but... See that weird yellow and blue dude? Is she, like, with us or something?
Yeah, sort of.
I'm not sure about that.
Seriously, she needs to get off. She's starting to irritate me now. Oh, well, looks like we've got somebody to stop. Don't worry. I can take care of him. Wait! Me too. Alright, anybody else wanna... Oh,
Be free.
alright. I got this.
We can stand for eternity. Come on, ninjas, let's go.
Well, I mean, it was close to a home run, Sawrus. You need to do a lot more better.
Mark, who goes there?
Don't worry, I got this. So what do you think you're doing here, trespassing onto our turf? Yeah, what do you think you're doing? Well, I don't see your name on it.
Well, he could identify stuff quickly, which is pretty cool. I think I've already heard of that. Also, is it true you've held up the phone with your saw hands?
Yeah, I tried to use my teeth to contact him. Right, well, that doesn't matter.
Yeah,
You're going down.
me too. Sorry, my sword, my bad. Alright, Spencer, do your thing.
Well, good
Come
luck.
on.
Well, good luck trying to do that.
20 minutes later. Man, we're tired.
He's too powerful.
Yep, he sure is. I can't believe you spent 20 minutes trying to take him down.
Well, can you do it? 'Cause we're tired.
We're the audience.
Oh, I'll give them what they want. You're not gonna do anything. Wait. Where did he go? Ha ha! Wait, that's not good. Ugh. No! No, please! I just got here, come on!
Are you going to say for yourself?
Am I...
I'm so tired that the mouth wasn't open. So I'm stringing you down.
String me one, I'll do it. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh.
Oh, wow. Would you just look at that?
Alright. I did it. I finally defeated him.
There we go.
Wait. Wait a minute.
Our day is saved.
Wait a minute. I didn't think he killed me. Oh, wait. I was meant to do this. There we go.
Huh? What happened to that's because the battery runs out, so. Well done, ninjas!
Over here. You're supposed to congratulate us. Yep, that's more like it. Also, what are we gonna do with this thing? I'm just trying to control. Wait. It says it only works if this dude is controlling it. Oh well. Wait a minute. Where's the light bulb guy?
What happened? Well,
Today is thanks to that ninjas.
My store! I forgot about it! Hey, what's taking so long?
Maybe
Alright.
you should find that punk someday, like Bulb.
Well, I did. Wait, who is it? That weird guy. Anyways, we're finally ready to order. Alright.
Looks like it's time for you to go. I hope you enjoyed it, so like and subscribe and shoot the notification bell. Since the ninjas saved the day.
I did.
Oh, right. Well, that's a whole other story. Bye.
Thank goodness you could save us from them.
But
And
how it ends.
and complete boredom.
So the Golden Knight wins?
Gladius Gold, and yes.
Alright, we're leaving.
That was a big...
Megan Green Ellis soup.
Yes, go for it. There we go. You've went for it. Alright. We hope you enjoyed it, so like, subscribe,
I already did that.
Oh, never mind. Gladius Gold out.
Let's go.
Alright.